So, ano ba? Bakit may distinction yung tao sa gobyerno? Actually, ang sarap bugbugon. Bugbugin yung ikatlong pangulo. Because of him, nagkaroon tayo ng description of who are those person who sits on the government and who are us, tayo, tao. So, ang kadalasan nangyayari doon, yung nandito, mga demonyo. Wala talagang awa yan, par. Oo. Kasi nga, when they sit onto their, yung officials government position, magdidelero yan. He will ask if this is real or this is not, this is real or this is not. To the point na makukurap. Hanggang sa maging corrupt yung politiko, maging corrupt na. He was used to be good on the point of ganyan, but